If your sleep is broken, don't just look at your nighttime routine. Start with your mornings, specifically light. Most people don't realize that light is the single most powerful tool for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. But here's the key that most people miss. That morning light sets a timer for melatonin to rise again about 14 to 16 hours later. That's what tells your body when to start feeling sleepy again. No light in the morning? That signal gets weaker. Melatonin drifts, your internal clock falls out of sync. So what counts as enough light? Indoor light, even a bright office, gives you around 500 lux. Morning sunlight, even on a cloudy day, still gives you between 10 and 30,000 lux. It's not about sunbathing. You don't need to stare at the sun. You just need indirect daylight exposure to trigger your circadian rhythm. So here's what I recommend. Within an hour of waking, get at least 5 to 10 minutes of outdoor light. Longer if it's cloudier. No sunglasses, no windows. Just step outside, walk, or sit on your porch or balcony. Do this before caffeine or screens if possible. So morning light actually boosts your dopamine, boosts your serotonin, so you have an enhanced mood and enhanced focus for the day when you get adequate morning sunlight. A good night's sleep doesn't start in the evening, it starts first thing in the morning.